Hi, everyone. Let me show you how to register an account in ORCA using Token Pocket. Step 1. On the wallet selection screen, tap Token Pocket. Step 2. Token Pocket will pop up. Review the connection details. Then tap Connect. Step 3. After connecting, you'll see that this wallet isn't registered. Tap New here. Create a new account. Step 4. You'll be taken to the Create Your Account page. Enter your desired username. The referral code is optional. Check the box to agree to the terms of service, privacy policy, and risk disclosure. Step 5. Tap Create Account. Step 6. Token Pocket will show a signature request. Review it and tap Confirm. Step 7. Once the account is created successfully, you'll be automatically logged into the ORCA dashboard. That's it. Registration is complete. Hi, everyone. Today, I'll quickly show you how to deposit USDT in ORCA. Step 1. Go to My. After opening ORCA, tap My in the bottom right corner. Once you enter the My OC.agent page, you can view your current asset balance. If your balance is insufficient, tap Deposit first. Step 2. Deposit USDT. After entering the deposit page, confirm that the network is BSC Network BEP20. Select Use Connected Wallet and choose Tether USDT as the token. Then enter the amount you want to deposit. In this example, we use 100 USDT. After confirming that the deposit address is correct, tap Deposit USDT. Step 3. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. Your wallet will pop up the transaction details. Check the payment address, receiving address, and network fee. If everything is correct, tap Confirm. After the transaction is submitted successfully, the page will show Deposit Submitted. Then simply wait for the funds to arrive. That's it. You have completed the ORCA deposit process. Before proceeding, always make sure the network, amount, and wallet address are correct. Hi, everyone. Today, I'll quickly show you how to purchase an AI agent on ORCA. Step 1. Go to the AI agent page. After opening ORCA, tap AI Agent in the bottom navigation bar. On the AI Agent page, tap Purchase AI Agent. Step 2. Choose an AI Agent package. Here, you can view the available AI Agent packages. In this tutorial, we'll use the Eden On-Chain Agent as an example. Find the Eden On-Chain Agent package, then tap Subscribe. Step 3. Review the subscription details. On the subscription page, review the total subscription amount, payment wallet, estimated yield, estimated daily yield, contract period, and estimated maturity value. Make sure Deposit Wallet is selected as the payment source. After confirming that all the information is correct, tap Subscribe. Step 4. Confirm the subscription. A Confirm Subscription window will appear. Check that the selected package is Eden On-Chain Agent and that the subscription amount is 100 USDT. Then, tap Confirm. Step 5. Complete the purchase. Once the subscription is successful, the page will display Subscription Active. You can tap View My Agents to check your active AI agent or tap Done to close the window. After returning to the AI agent page, you'll see that your Eden On-Chain Agent is active and running. That's it. You've successfully completed the ORCA AI agent purchase process.